In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Helix in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the Helix tool or type Helix in the command line and press Enter. Next, specify the center point of the helix by clicking a location in your drawing. After selecting the center point, define the base radius by entering a value or selecting a point. Then, specify the top radius of the helix. After that, enter the height of the helix or select a point to define its height.
AutoCAD will create a 3D helix based on the values and points you provided. You can adjust the helix settings by selecting the object and modifying its properties as needed. Helix is useful when creating spiral and spring-like shapes in AutoCAD. It is commonly used for 3D designs, mechanical parts, and objects that require a curved path with height. To modify the helix, select the object and use the available editing options to change its size, height, or other properties.
And that's how to use Helix in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.